Your friend is late? Can't decide what to eat? Need to apologize without making it awkward? These moments happen every day, but what do you actually say in natural English? In this video, you'll learn 10 real conversations between friends so you can sound confident, relaxed, and ready for anything. Let's get started.
Whoa, need a hand with that?
Please. I thought I could manage alone. Clearly not.
No worries. Where's it going?
Just by the front door. Thanks for helping out.
Anytime. Seriously, don't be a hero with heavy stuff.
Noted. My back thanks you too.
Phew! What's in here? Bricks?
Just books. And maybe too many snacks.
Well, next time, text me first. That's what friends are for.
Deal. Coffee later? My treat.
You're on.
I'm starving. What are we eating?
Honestly, I'm down for whatever you pick.
Thai? I'm craving green curry.
Had Thai for lunch. How about pizza?
So much for whatever.
Hey, I'm flexible, within reason.
Fine. What's quick and cheap to eat? I'm broke till tomorrow.
My treat. How about that Korean-Mexican taco truck?
Kimchi bulgogi tacos? Actually, yes. Let's do it.
Perfect. They accept cards, and we can eat at the park.
Okay, I'm in. Let's head out.
So sorry, I'm late again.
No big deal. Traffic?
Yeah, there was an accident on Main Street. It was a total standstill.
I figured. Already ordered your latte.
You're a lifesaver. Seriously.
Just don't make it a habit.
I'll try. Next time, I'm leaving 20 minutes early. Promise.
Good. Now relax before your latte gets cold. I love this jacket, but look at the price.
Ouch, that's steep.
Do you think it'll go on sale soon?
Probably next month for an end-of-season clearance.
Good call. I'll wait.
Smart move. Your wallet will thank you.
Let's leave before I change my mind.
Run before the sale tag calls your name.
Don't tempt me. Let's go.
Are you free this weekend?
Pretty much. Why?
We're driving up to the lake. Want to come?
I'd love to. What time?
Leaving Saturday at 8. I'll pick you up.
Perfect. I'll bring snacks.
Don't stress. Just bring a swimsuit and a jacket. It gets chilly at night.
Got it. Can't wait to escape the city.
Same here. See you Saturday.
Guess what just happened?
Did you finally adopt that dog?
Even better! I got into grad school!
No way! That's amazing! I knew you would.
I'm still shaking. Do you want to celebrate with me this weekend?
Absolutely. Drinks are on me.
Deal. But let's keep it low-key. I'm emotionally drained.
Perfect. Coffee and cake at that cozy cafe Saturday?
Yes! I'll bring the acceptance letter for proof.
Can't wait. Congrats again, future grad student.
I'm so nervous about tomorrow's presentation.
You'll be great. Just breathe and speak slowly.
I just worry my slides won't work, or that the professor will ask something tricky.
Then you say, "That's a great question. Let me think." and buy yourself a second.
Okay, I'll rehearse one more time at the library tonight.
Perfect. And text me after class, yeah? I want to hear how it went.
Will do. Thanks for believing in me.
Anytime. You've got this.
I'm so sorry I didn't show up yesterday.
Oh, I wondered what happened. Everything okay?
My phone died, and I lost track of time. I was so embarrassed.
No worries. It happens to the best of us.
Can I make it up to you? Coffee next Tuesday?
Sure. And don't stress. We're good.
You're the best. I'll even bring those cookies you like.
Okay, now you're really forgiven. See you Tuesday then.
Ugh, it's pouring. Do you still feel like going to the park?
Not really. The rain's got me feeling like a homebody today.
Same. Want to switch to board games at home? Catan?
Yes! I've been dying to set up the hex tiles.
Great! I'll grab drinks if you lay out the board.
Deal. Rainy days just got better.
Do you want hot chocolate or tea?
Hot chocolate. Extra marshmallows.
Coming right up. Cozy afternoon activated.
Are you okay? You look wiped.
I think I'm catching a cold.
That sucks. Have you taken anything yet?
Nah, I'm just heading home to crash.
Wait, do you need a ride?
No, I'm okay. I just want to sleep.
All right, but I'm dropping off some soup and medicine later.
Sam, you don't have to.
I know, but I will. Just text me when you're awake.
Thanks. That actually sounds really nice.
Feel better, okay? I'll be there around 7.
Okay. I'll text you if I need anything.
Which situation do you relate to the most? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to know. And if you want more videos like this to help you speak English naturally, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my next video. See you there!